Good morning. This is Jason Carlson. I have a stock lock, not a stock lock, a challenge lock in the vise today, and it is Mad Dog by Washington State Picker, pinned 11/9/18. It's on an Arrow keyway, and this one is one of those locks that requires a nice, light little touch. So let's see how we can get into this lock. And I'm going to start in the back. Just a tiny little feel up and back. Just overset one. I imagine that now that the camera's on, it's going to get shy. Yeah, it's going to be shy this time. It's a tricky little lock. Okay, reset, start over. 3, 4, 6. Springing us in the back. Dropping stuff all over. There we go. Little click, little click, little click. Tiny little faults. Tiny little movement in the core, a little bit more, a little bit more. Dogs are playing. Okay, I know that 1 and 2 are done. Touch on 4 and it's open. Nice little light touch on this particular lock. Let's move that out of the way. We are open. Get that down there. And let's see. Let's go with red today. All right. Make sure I've got all the tools here. We are open. And I have the key, so I'm going to lock it up while I pull that clip off the back. Hope everybody's doing well. I hope that there's no major weather events going on anywhere. It's been raining here in Idaho for the last couple of days. Unexpected rain. There we go. But you know what? Wherever you go, it's always one of those, we need the rain. Come on. There. And rain is fine with me. Let's do a shim. There's a really big gap right there. Nope. I don't like hollow followers. That's good. Okay. There. And all 6 populated. All need to be picked. See some magic in there. Wow. Okay, so let's get these out. 1 is a nice little spoolie bomb pin. 2 is unmodified. 3 is unmodified. 4 is a double spool key pin. 5 is unmodified. And 6 is unmodified. In the core, we have threading in 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, and 6. Very nice threads, man. And tweezers. Shim out. And in 1, have a reduced, oh, it looks like a wedding cake. Almost T-pin with some very light serrations in it. And a steel spring. Number 2, unmodified standard driver. Come here, you. And small spring, no, not small spring, steel spring. 3, again, nothing of any change. 4, come here, you. Is a serrated and a small brass spring or copper. 6, very cool looking, almost an Asa barrel pin looking, and another smaller brass or bronze spring. And then number 5 is a T-pin, very nice looking one too, and another tiny little bronze spring. Take a look down inside. Nope, I don't see any mods to the Bible. Let's get this straightened out. Turn in for a close-up. Get this upload. Well done, Washington State Picker. Fun lock. Oh, don't trip over the spool. Don't trip over that. Okay. Whoop, other way. There we go. Coffee's just now starting to work. All right, for demonstration purposes, something sharp. In key pin position number 1, we have a nice little bomb spool. 2 is unmodified. 3 is unmodified. 4 is this double spool key pin. Number 5 is unmodified, and 6 is unmodified. In the driver pins, position 1, we have this really cool looking T-pin Christmas tree, wedding cake type object. And number 2 is unmodified, 3 is unmodified. 4 has 2 really beautiful serrations in it, obviously cut with either a razor blade or a jeweler's saw. Number 5 is this really nice looking T-pin, and number 6 is another one of those serrated drivers, again with beautiful serrations in it. Spring selection in 1, 2, and 3 steel, and 4, 5, and 6 copper or phosphorus bronze. Core has serrations in 1, 4, 5, and 6, and the Bible is unmodified. So that would be Mad Dog by Washington State Picker. Thanks for making the lock, man. It was a joy to pick. Wanted to get it out there so I can show you I am picking your locks, man. Everybody have a spectacular Friday. Everybody remember to keep it real and keep it legal and go through the lock.